Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. We have all been there. Your app freezes, your screen locks up, and you are stuck waiting for the task manager to slowly scroll open just so you can kill a single program. But what if I told you that you can now end any frozen task in one single click directly from your taskbar? No more Ctrl+Alt+Delete, no more digging through menus. Microsoft added this power user shortcut to Windows 11, but for some reason they have hidden it in the settings. Here is how you can turn it on right now. First, open Settings and select System. On the right side, locate and select Advanced. Here on the top, you will find option that says End Task and flip it to On. That's it. No registry hack and no third-party software required. Now the next time an app stops responding, just right-click the icon on your taskbar and hit End Task. It vanishes instantly. It's cleaner, it's faster, and it's a total game changer for your workflow. This is a must-have setting for every PC user. That's all about this video. If you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.